Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't refresh feed on your Instagram, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So mostly it happens because you have some problems with your internet, so just check it. So just go to Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. If you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn it on. So after, just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And also you can try to go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram and just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.